So as you begin to edit the feature, it's really important not to overthink it. If you get some sound bites, put them in there and start just building it. Begin to sculpt the edit, and then you can revise it. But it's much better to just put. If you hear a couple sound bites, put them in a couple spots. Maybe one at the beginning. Maybe you're going to put one near the middle, and you're going to put one right before the ceremony to break things up. Great. Put those down, and then start to work around it. Group elements that are going to go together, that make good edit sequences, and then begin to sculpt it. And then you can go back and revise it. Say, hey, this doesn't work. These shots maybe they're not as good as I want, or maybe I should just have one longer shot and not 4 or 5 shots. Whatever it is, just begin to put it down. Don't overthink it. Just do it, and then go back to it and work on it.